To set your phone to play a sound when you insert or remove the S Pen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features and then tap S Pen. Scroll down the screen, tap More S Pen Setting, and then tap the gray on off switch next to sound to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see how it works, try to remove or insert your S Pen. You can hear that your phone will play a sound when you insert or remove your S Pen. As a note, the volume level of a sound plays when you insert or remove your S Pen depends on how you set the system sound in your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.